What is up, YouTube? It's your boy a-rak back again in the building. So this time I actually want to go ahead and talk about a situation that happened with mine. As you can see here, my Bose headphones had a little split in the actual leather or foam, whatever that material is. So I was actually contemplating replacing the whole pair of headphones, but they still sound good. So I figured there was some way that I could actually repair it. So looked on Amazon and actually found they have a kit that you can buy that you can use the materials to replace the ear cups. And so basically that can kind of make your old stuff all brand new again. And as you know, with me, I'm all about saving that Skrilla. So let's get started. So what the contents of what comes in the little kit that you buy. So ultimately in the kit, it consists of two foam pads that make up your ear cups. You also get two ear scrits, as far as what they call them. They actually go over the speaker, and you also get a tool, which basically is just a stick, like a little plastic stick that you can use to pry the old one off and then make sure that you get the new one on. So with that, let's go ahead and get started on the actual repair process. All right, so it's repair time now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and take the plastic stick that came in the kit, and you're actually gonna go ahead and start working around the edges of where the ear cups actually attach to the headphones themselves. So you're gonna go ahead and kind of pry it out a little bit. As a matter of fact, it'll all just really come out, just as you see here. So looking at the speaker scrim, there's a lot of dirt and crud and everything in there. So over time, yeah, that stuff can kind of build up in your headphones anyway. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take it out. And right now you just have the speaker exposed, the actual speaker itself. So we're just gonna go ahead and take the new speaker scrim. And as you see the old one there, it just attaches with adhesive. So we're going to take the new speaker scrim, as you see there, looking real crispy and all. So we're just going to go ahead and take a look at the back side of it. And as you see, there are two adhesive marks back there. So what you're just going to go ahead and do is take the backs off of each adhesive piece. And then once you have the backs off, then you should be able to go ahead and place it down over the actual speaker itself on the headphone. And the mistake I was making is I was trying to make it even, but once I observed the other ear cup, it goes in at an angle. So I believe it's probably best to protect the speaker because it has to go right over the speaker. So once you get it in there at an angle, you're fine. And you just want to also just keep pressing down on where the adhesive is just to make sure that it sticks. And once it sticks, then you're pretty much good to go with the speaker scrim. So then the next thing that you're going to do, and this doesn't take long at all, but the next thing you're just going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and grab the actual ear cup, the ear cup pillow, I guess if that's what you want to call it. And so once you grab that, what you're going to do is you're going to have to work this in using the tool because they have like little bezels on the bottom side of that you want to make sure you tuck those bezels into the actual headphone itself. So you're just going to work your way around with the plastic stick tool, and you're just going to go in and keep tucking it in, tucking it in, tucking it in, tucking it in until you get all the way around that whole full circle, or oval to be correct. So once you tuck that whole thing in, you're pretty much golden and you're good to go. So you've basically done it. So honestly, looking at it, it looks and feels authentic. I'll have the link in the description below for the actual manufacturer of these. If you look on Amazon, they actually do have some that are even like custom, like where you got like custom designs and everything on them. But to me, honestly, this feels identical to the original manufactured ear cups. So I'm really digging this look. As a matter of fact, I may eventually do the left one because today I just did the right one. And as you can see, there's actually a difference in how it looks, the quality of over time, how, wear and tear can affect it. but they still sound great. They look great. And also, you know, when putting it on my head, it actually feels authentic. Like I can't tell the difference. So definitely, if you're in the same situation as me, where your earphone busted or so, or if it's just a little worn and you want to go ahead and if you want to go ahead and see if you can replace it, yeah, definitely do it yourself. It's real simple. It's a cheap fix. These were like $16 on Amazon. So I would definitely give you the thumbs up. Go for it. So with that, I'm done. And this is your first time checking out the channel, feel free to stick around for more. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button as I put more content out about cell phone reviews. I'm still working on my Note 20 review. And yeah, with that, I will holler at you guys later. Peace.